Woo! Yeah, guys. It is not nighttime right now. As you guys can see, guys are still working. We just got here, and it is about to open up on us.
I've been told I have some control issues. I'm gonna try to control something that's a lot easier than people. I'm gonna do something that God can't do. I'm not just gonna make it clear up. No. I'm gonna make it actually stop.
So we're getting stuff packed up. We got thunder and lightning already happening. We got a big storm that's going to be coming through for about an hour and a half. So good thing that Potato Creek was kind enough to give us some cabins. So we're going to head back to the cabin, maybe play a couple games of cards, have a cup of coffee, have some riveting conversation, and we'll get back out here as soon as the rain's done. All right, see ya. All right, here we are. So let me kind of show you guys, well, obviously it's sunny again and it's gonna get really hot and humid. We got freaking downpoured between the hours of 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So we're back on the job site. It's sopping wet, sticky, muddy, dirty, all that stuff, but we're back. We're building again, but let me show you what we got going on. So we're gonna go ahead and do a splitter right here between here. We got one set, we got our split set, we got that boulder set, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go find a rock right there for that spillway, which is about the length of Jiren's foot and about up to the top of his ankle. Right where his plates and pins are, right? Yeah. Right. So we're gonna go see what we can find, and you're gonna come with us and see how we do this. All right, so here's our big boulder pile, and this is what we're going to pick out. Now, what we're looking for is something that's got a flat top, something like that. Looks like Jiren already found it. Sometimes it takes 5 seconds, sometimes it takes freaking 5 hours to find the right rock. It just kind of depends on how it works. But this is what we have. This is what we've been pulling out of this whole time to build this beautiful water feature. It is just a random pile of rocks from the rock yard, and how they go together and when they go together and the way they go together and the techniques that we use all comes from right here. So we're gonna get back to building, but that is how we pick the rock.
A little longer than a few minutes later.